Check it out, Team O'Reilly's in Nappanee, Indiana. We are out here. What is up, trappers? Check it out. We are at O'Reilly's, Nappanee, Indiana. We got Chuck and Blaze. Look, guys, whole line of them out here. Check out the Evo right-hand drive. We got to get a clip of this. So cool. And you see it, guys, right here. Right-hand drive. How cool is that? Straight from Tokyo, Japan, here to Indiana. And I'm pretty sure he said it's an Evo 5, guys. Super, super cool. Got the Bel Air out here, 57, 4-door. Lots of, like, it's pretty much all original, guys. There's a few parts that aren't, but for the most part, it's original. I'm pretty sure this is 70 Nova. It's got a 400 small block in it. Brian's car looks great. You guys seen the Swinger the other day on the Dart. You guys like that car. Here it is again, guys. Yeah, Dodge Dart Swinger. He looks good in here too, guys. Let's get him real quick. Yeah, look, and he picked him up a plaque today. Got him a plaque. I think this was People's Choice. I'm pretty sure this was People's Choice Award today. Scott got this. We got the Trap Blazer sitting out here, guys. You guys see this all the time, and you know Big Sherm, he come out to support and show love. He's out here, got his My Crew going. Yeah. They brought the bikes out. Patrick, he's out here in this thing. You see him, guys. And this Jeep. Look at this thing, guys. Boy, it looks mad. Just, I don't know what it's mad about. Pissed about something though, ain't it? Woo! Yeah. He started to box up, and you know Chuck, he got Blaze out here looking good in the neighborhood. Blaze always looking good. He got the box Caprice Classic sitting out here, and I think he got O'Reilly's Choice was the one he got. He got him an O'Reilly's Choice Award. And Raymond, right here in the Camry, I think he got Best of Show. Yeah, he got Best of Show. You see him looking good out here, guys. Looking real good. Real good turnout. And there it is, O'Reilly Auto Parts. Such a great day. So many cars. You can hear Brian out here. Guys rolling out. Chino just rolled out. Great turnout, guys. Check this thing out, man. Here he goes. Woo! Man, they always send me off so good. Dang, man. Listen to that. out here checking out Team O'Reilly's in Nappanee, Indiana. Thank you everybody who showed up. Great day. My cousin Andy Collins, say what's up guys. Everybody give Andy a shout out. He come out and show support, having a good time at O'Reilly's. But that's what we're doing. That's what it is. We'll see you in the next one. Keep on trapping.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.